बताओ क्या चाहता है तू?
बहुत मैं भी बड़ा होके अच्छा प्लेयर बनूं, एम्बापे के जैसा।
So it was a year ago when Adil was about to go to the Qatar. My boss was saying कि हमदान ये सेशन है, ये है, ये बच्चे जा रहे हैं कतर and I want to specifically work with possession and all. मैंने कहा ठीक है, fair enough. And then I saw this guy coming in and ripping in tackles, demanding his players, you know, low ball मेरे से, मुझे ball दो, छीन रहे हैं and everything, an all action guy. But not only hunger and desire, he had the talent and he had the poise and he had the brilliance and calmness about him as well in possession and all. So that was my first encounter.
तो वो तुम्हें देखते हैं फुटबॉल खेलते हुए पूरी टीम शीम और ये जर्सी वर्सी पहन के, कैसा लगता है उनको?
हैरान हो जाते हैं बहुत।
So his background is his father passed away and he was caught playing on the streets. So we usually have scouting trips every other month. Every other month there are scouting trips. So in Lyari we found out that there's a kid, you know, who's very raw, very kacha, has had that skills but not that great technical ability playing around and you know. So we thought, okay, you know, we might have a chance. He's a young kid. There's a lot of time. We can develop him very easily. So that was the time when we, you know, asked him to come to the academy. And within 1 or 2 months, he was shaping up as a very gentle player. You know, who's taking up things, who wants to learn, who wants to play the game. And after that, after 5-6 months, we decided, okay, we want him in the academy permanently. And now let's see how we can develop him as a person as well. So that was the time when we actually thought of consulting a school and enrolling him in a school. So he had no education prior to that. So it's a very common thing in Lyari, they don't have education.
घर में अम्मी को अच्छा लगता है कि तुम फुटबॉल खेलते हो?
जी, अम्मी को बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
क्या कहती है?
पढ़ो भी और फुटबॉल भी खेलो। पहले नहीं चलता था, अम्मी बोलता है स्कूल पहले पढ़ो। फिर मैंने बहुत अम्मी को वो किया, मैं फुटबॉल भी खेलूँगा। फिर अभी मेरे को छोड़ रहे।
Over here, we're trying to improvise life skill sessions with them as well, where we teach them personality, how to talk, how to meet people, what's your identity, different skills such as painting, learning, and sometimes you say, okay boys, we don't have any training session, we'll play today. So that with kids you always have that feel, even though they want it that bad, but there's always a बचपना होता है कि यार आज मेरा ये दिल नहीं है करने का. तो these sort of things, you know, keep it ticking over.
तो कतर भी गए थे तुम?
जी,
कैसा लगा था?
बहुत अच्छा लगा था।
एयरपोर्ट देखा था तो बहुत बड़ा है।
बहुत।
जहाज में डर तो नहीं लगा? लगा था
जी।
लेकिन फिर ठीक हो जाता है।
Qatar, they have a big academy, the Aspire Academy. The Aspire Academy is actually government funded, which is an elite base for their athletes to train. The aim of that academy is to, you know, train athletes for Qatar. So they have a lot of players, you know, graduating into the Qatar football team. They have athletics. So it's a multi-sports complex thing that Qatar has made. So they invite these Manchester Uniteds, these Atletico Madrids of Spain, Real Madrid. So luckily we got an invite to come up and show what we're made of, and so when they got to know, okay, you know, we're going to Qatar and we need to prove ourselves to be in the squad, they were bang on, not missing any session. That extra motivation kicks in when, you know, you're about to go to abroad and you have to prove yourself to be in the squad. So it was very tough for the coaches as well to, you know, finalize who will be going, who won't be going. The group which Adil was playing, we lost the tournament on goal difference. So we were tied with the top spot, but we lost out on goal difference. So it's that much close we've been, and we've planned to go there again. We've got an invite.
क्या दिल चाहता है कितने गोल होने चाहिए?
50.
After 5-6 months, when the team was taking shape, and that's the time when actually you find out who the leader is, who, you know, who's the quiet leader, who's the personality leader. Adil pretty much was the personality as well as a quiet leader. So with his personality, was marauding the people on the pitch, you know, go over there, or demanding from everyone. While a quiet leader, he's very shy. So if I ask something, and if I ask a question among all the players, he'll be, sir. But you know, behind the scenes, and when I'm not with them, he'll always, you know, keeping up the boys के खेलना है.
कैसे हराओगे इनको?
मेहनत करके सब साथ.
So I try to keep a very mellow and a very fresh and a very what would you call, a very happy-go type relationship with Adil. The reason behind is I feel there needs to be an emotional attachment between a coach and a player. So I pretty much believe every day I'm asking them, khana khaya, is everything okay? I joke around with them. They try to teach me Balochi. I've got few words of Balochi. They're always, sir, varro. So varro means excellent. Whenever they ask me, sir, chi naam hai, kya naam hai? So I say Hamdan, sir, varro. So I always try to, you know, keep on interacting with them apart from the football stuff. It's very necessary to have that. And with Adil especially, I know he's my captain. If he's not even the captain, he's a leader among the team. So if I want something to translate into the whole team, I'll catch Adil on the side. Adil, team ye nahi khel rahe. Yeah, he's my point of reference. He, along with other one or two players, he's my point of reference. Whenever I try to, there are some things that a coach cannot say. They're not meaningless things. So it's very easy when you've got leaders who dictate the team, dictate the tempo of the game. So with Adil, it's that much. I can go on and say anything to him. Firstly, he was a shy kid, and now he's encouraging others. Sir se baat karo, koi masla nahi hai. He'll be very open with you. So that's the kind of relation I have with him. I consider more as son, brother sort of, rather than a coach. I believe in that. It's very necessary for any developing athlete.
तो मोहल्ले में सबको पता है कि तुम प्रॉपर फुटबॉल खेल रहे हो, सबको पता है?
जी, को बहुत खुशी होती है. हम गया था बाहर मुल्क में.
And we absolutely 100% believe in him. And we believe if he sticks to the right path, one day he has the chance to go abroad. Not saying big things, Madrid or Barcelona, but yeah, he's got a good chance.
और कौन-कौन है तुम्हारे फेवरेट प्लेयर?
एम्बापे, क्रिस्टियानो.